All right, I've got another mower tip for you guys. If you aren't familiar with how to change out your air filter in your riding lawnmower, I'm going to show you how simple it is on my Ferris ISX 800. I got a brand new filter off of Amazon and this one is ready to go. Let's go ahead, let's head over to the mower and get this installed. All right, this is my Briggs & Stratton motor that is on my ISX 800 by Ferris. Let's go ahead and let's put this brand new air filter in. This is a super simple process that any homeowner can do. Just simply remove these two little screws right here. This will open up the panel to where your air filter is. And then you can see your air filter is right here. You simply just lower this latch and then pull the filter out. And then what I like to do is I like to just make sure that this is as cleaned out as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. But then you just take your new filter and you simply just put it in place, pop this back up, and then you're going to attach the lid back on and just screw these screws down. And there you go. That's how simple it was to change out this old dirty air filter on your Briggs & Stratton motor. This style of installation is pretty common across a lot of the Briggs & Stratton engines. And if you have a different brand engine, it's probably going to be something really similar to this. And of course, let me know if you have any questions below in the comments section, and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. But as always, we'll see you guys in the next one.